drill.
All right, guys, we're installing the PCM North Carolina oil baffle kit, and I ain't gonna lie, man, I'm a somewhat disappointed customer, dude. Like, it doesn't fit the way how it's supposed to fit. You gotta sit there and adjust stuff. Like, look at this.
Notching the edges. Like, you didn't even believe me it was this bad, did you?
No.
Gotta drill these holes. These holes.
You gotta drill the holes.
Right, you see that hole?
That's the PCM North Carolina hole. All right.
All right. These are the screws that come with the kit. They don't even fit through the hole.
Don't fit.
But these holes don't even line up good enough for you to put them in there. So you gotta drill the holes bigger anyways. And see, even this one, I drilled the holes double their size, and I'm still not clearing
to make these screws right here fit.
And then you got to notch the edges of the plate to clear the pan. There's a light in there. You got to notch the edges of the plate over here and over here. Drill the holes bigger.
We try to stick that plate in there.
This one is right over the axle tube.
Mm-hmm.
If you drill that out deep enough to put one of the screws in there, it pops through. Like, there's no way.
And it goes through this right here.
Into the axle tube.
So don't ever drill.
Yeah, don't drill that one.
Well, this tube part right here.
It ain't going nowhere. Got these three with Loctite, you know. But
and we're using blue Loctite, not the red.
I learned this before. Don't drill that one. But,
we'll learn from
But you gotta just adjust it until it fits. And I think for the money, it's an absolute ripoff. If this was like $150 kit, maybe I could see, okay, it's worth dealing with it a little bit. But when you pay over $300 for two pieces of freaking aluminum, this ain't even stainless steel. This is aluminum. All right, and you get like an O-ring that you
have to use. If you don't have it, you're not going to be able to use it. And good luck with that.
You gotta have the blue O-ring. And all it is a pickup tube. Like honestly, they come with some junk screws. They're not even high quality screws, because you put the least little bit of pressure on these hex caps,
and you rear the shoulders out. Yeah,
they round the shoulders out quick. And then so you get this pickup tube that don't have a GM end on it. So you're trying to put a end that wasn't made properly into a GM style pump, and that's why you got to use their blue O-ring, because this end is not right. So you get this, you get that plate and that plate, two pieces of aluminum and a pickup tube that ain't even made right.
Right.
And and a handful of screws for over $300.
That's what you get for a little bit over $300 of a PCM North Carolina baffle kit. I mean, that's kind of messed up that you got to pay for this, spend that amount of money. And you got to sit there and to readjust their work. You know what I'm saying? You got to go right behind their work. And I can understand stuff is a hit and miss, but damn it, man.
I'm saying you got to have like a doctorate in science to freaking put this shit in.
Now, option 2, you can get with Kevin Hansen with his oil baffle. Way less material, easier. $25 shipped. $25 ship.
Here's the plate we have to figure out. Just stay over there. This is the original plate we had to take out of the oil pan. Right here. Okay. So we had to remove this one. Mm-hmm. And then this, all you had to do, like this slides in right here up against the axle tube. You pop a couple holes right here. Rivet it in. Like, you can slide it right in through that slot right there.
Right.
Rivet this thing in there, and you're done.
That's it.
That's it. Does the same thing.
15, maybe 20-minute job.
I'm not saying it's not good to have a pickup tube that goes to the back of the front sump, because that's what this one does. I mean, it does get to the back of the pan.
Right.
But for the money, every time I want to choose this little baffle right here over this, because it's ridiculous. For the money, if you could just get it and put it in and fit, and everything was easy, and you could use O-rings that you were supposed to be able to use, maybe it would be worth the money.
Right.
But to me, I think this just a waste of money.
I'm disappointed, man. Like really disappointed. I mean, PCM, man, y'all gotta do better than this, man. Like y'all gotta get this figured out somehow, adjusted. I understand that at a moment that you guys had the Trailblazer SS market cornered because you guys was the only one that was making mods for us, but dude, just because you got the market corner doesn't mean that you can just sit there and just push stuff out, sell it to people, and then it's not fitting properly. And we work hard for the money that we give to you, and we got to sit there and go right behind your job.
Could you imagine having to pay somebody labor to put this kit in?
Oh man,
I'm already in at least 2 hours, bro, right now.
Yeah.
By the time you drill all the holes, then you got to clean the pan, get all the metal shavings out. Then you got to turn back around, clean everything up, dry it out, make sure there ain't no water in there, lock tight the screws, everything. Like, it takes time.
It's very time consuming.
It takes a lot of time. It's just ridiculous. I'm gonna tell you, your average person ain't gonna really be able to do this. Either they're not gonna really know how, or they're not gonna have the tools they need to do it.
Right.
Because you gotta have grinders, drills, drill bits. And I know a lot of people do have all that stuff.
Yeah.
But I'm saying there's a lot of people that don't. And this right here is not a bolt-in kit at all. Nowhere close to a bolt-in kit.
Oh shit, no, not even. No. But
I mean, I gotta drill some more holes right now.
we getting it done, man. But that right there is it ain't working.
It's
so
crazy, man.
Peace. See y'all later. Stay tuned.